GBH6000TA3. High-performance welding gantry for super heavy steel fabrication. As steel structure projects grow in complexity and technical demand, investing in a capable welding system has become a strategic move for manufacturers. Developed by Bruco, the GBH6000TA3 is a smart welding gantry designed for ultra-heavy structural fabrication. It integrates triple-tandem technology and powerful welding specs, making it a trusted solution in its class. The machine can weld large diameter pipes ranging from 1,200 mm to 5,500 mm, box beams up to 5,500 by 5,500 mm in cross-section, beams up to 25.5 meters in length. It supports 1F and 1G welding positions, with torch travel speeds ranging from 200 to 1,000 mm per minute, offering high flexibility for fabrication workshops. Powered by OTAI welding sources. 1 ASA 1602 DC for deep penetration. 2 ASA 1250 AC/DC for wide and stable welds. This smart configuration maximizes arc performance, ensures consistent weld quality across full beam lengths, and minimizes post-weld deformation, critical for large beams and pipes. The system features a multi-language touchscreen controller, English and Vietnamese, enabling real-time monitoring, fast operation, welding program storage, shift-based tracking, auto-error alerts, and operation log archiving. A dual-axis mechanical tracking sensor, XC, automatically adjusts the torch to material profiles, ensuring precise welding on curved beams, round pipes, and custom box sections. The GBH6000TA3 is not just a welding machine. It's a complete solution for fabricating super heavy steel structures. With advanced technology, high automation, and excellent performance, it is the top choice for industrial steel fabricators. For expert consultation, contact Hotline 19009410 or visit weldcom.vn. Weldcom's experienced steel structure specialists are ready to support you, from design to deployment.